Morning, everybody. I am from English, Rhetoric, and Composition in particular, and for the last 6-ish years that I've been at WSU, I've been reading a lot of stuff down in the writing assessment office, mostly incoming student placement exams and junior writing portfolio stuff, WSU's mid-career writing assessment. And in that time, I've noticed like this weird sort of link between what students do in their incoming student placement exams and what they do as a junior. Specifically, you might see a student as an incoming freshman given a prompt on like the wage gap in the US. They say, oh, hey, the wage gap is a problem. It has this kind of a solution. I know that because my AP Econ teacher told me that, or my dad told me this thing. And so we see them kind of deferring authority off to these other individuals, these external sources in some way. And that's fine as a graduating high school student. That's like the dominant mode of writing in that level. But by the time somebody is a junior, we would expect them they've had 2 years worth of general education courses, they're getting into a major. We'd want them to take a little bit more authority over the knowledge that they use. But at the junior level, they might be given a prompt, say, on climate change. And they'll say, climate change is a problem. It has this kind of a solution. Why do I know that? I've seen Al Gore's documentary. We're still deferring knowledge off maybe to a more academic source, but we're still giving that person the authority. So I started to wonder if this was an issue just in timed writings. So I dug up a bunch of student coursework that they also turn in as a part of the junior writing portfolio. And I found that students writing within their majors, let's say an engineer writing for an engineering course, will say, I'm going to use these equations or these materials or some process because I'm a burgeoning engineer. I know that that's what I need to do. But you take that same student, have them in an English class or a history class. Now all of a sudden we're going to say, I've got this claim and this person over here says something that supports it, so I'm going to match them together and that's my argument. So we can see in some ways that students are gaining authority and expertise, at least in their disciplines, but maybe not in all areas. And so I've pulled another 100 students worth of writing to kind of figure out whether or not we can figure out where these changes happen and what the nature of the change is when a student starts to gain that sort of authority. So hopefully we can apply that to a wider number of courses and they don't just have a feeling of expertise in their own domain, but they can start to feel that in every domain that they've been exposed to in college. And with that, I finished a lot faster than I thought I would. Thank you very much.